Hello guys, I'm Shweta and welcome back to my channel. So I was not planning this haul, but then I opened Myntra, saw these gorgeous denim dresses and this haul happened. There is something about denim. It never feels overdressed, never underdressed. It is just easy and I love that. So this time I picked few denim dresses and all of them are in different mood, different vibes. Some are little bit structured, some are very easy to wear. So let's see what I bought. Okay, so I am starting today's haul with this classic piece from Janasya. First time I am trying their denim dresses and I was not expecting to like this so much, but here we are. Actually, design is very simple. V neckline and short sleeves and full front button placket. You already know how much I like these short sleeves, especially in summer. If I am wearing something and it's not comfortable, I am not going to wear it again. It is that simple. The neckline though, very flattering. Not too deep, just enough. These silver studs at front, look at them. They are small, but they change the whole vibe. Without them, it would have been very basic, but with them, it feels styled. It is a midi-length dress and I am 5'3" and I am wearing the size large for your reference. This dress comes with this matching fabric belt which you can tie either at the front or on side or even at the back. But actually you can't remove this because they have stitched it here at the back. But you can tie it easily at the back and you can get this clean finish at the front. But the real moment here is this ombre effect. That subtle fade makes it feel different from other denim dresses. It is not loud, but it is not boring either. I wore these silver studs. They are perfectly matching with these stud buttons, matching silver bracelet. For the footwear, you can easily wear sneakers with denim dresses, but here I am wearing clear heels. And I finished this look with my Aldo bag. It's easy, it's polished, it doesn't look like I tried too hard. Honestly, this is my kind of dress. Why does denim always have to be blue? Because look at this pink one. It looks so fresh, so different. I was not expecting to like it so much. This one is from Athena and I am not exaggerating. They consistently make really nice dresses, especially the fits. They understand Indian woman body really well. This one proves it again. It's a shirt style dress, calf length for me. Sleeves are 3/4, which I don't mind because they look polished and they are comfortable too, not restrictive. And that balance is important. It has very clean, classic design, shirt collar, 2 front patch pockets, front button placket with contrast button. These are metal buttons and look super gorgeous. But it is not a straight dress like earlier one. It has nice A-line flare. Actually, it has panel design, so you get that nice flare which makes it super comfortable. There is one side pocket also, so full marks on functionality. Plus, there are these small slits at the side which makes your movement super comfortable. It is made in 100% cotton denim which is not stretchable and it is thick material. This dress is really heavy. So I sized up in this. So basically I am wearing size XL, but I think size large will also fit me. But this is also looking nice and it feels comfortable. So no complaints at all. The dress comes with a fabric belt which again I tied at the back, but you can tie it around anywhere at the front, on sides, whatever way you like. I picked this golden color from buttons and wore these brown studs, this wooden bracelet. For the footwear, my must harbor heels, and I finished this look with my new Steve Madden bag. overall vibe is simple, wearable and super comfortable. But this color makes it unforgettable. I wish more denim comes in different shades. It will be fun to wear. Okay, moving on to maxi now. And this one is in this classic blue shade, something you can't beat. This one is from brand All About You. And honestly, what caught my eye is its length. It's maxi, which is unusual for a denim dress, and its Kali style construction, which gives it nice flow without making it bulky. Again, it is shirt style with V-notch and it has these full sleeves. So it is completely different vibe from earlier one. But this is kind of lightweight denim, so it doesn't feel heavy though it has full sleeves. Also, it has two small side slits, very necessary. Makes walking easier, sitting easier, basically life easier. And yes, it has pockets. Not one, but two of them. Nice deep pockets. So technically you don't have to carry a bag. But let's get real. I still carried one. And this time the brown one. Because this bag finishes the look really nicely. I just wore these simple silver studs with this and clear heels and I am ready. Because with the Kali, this dress has enough personality of its own. Overall, it feels really relaxed, slightly elevated, but very wearable. Definitely one of those throw on and go pieces. Now, total mood switch with this one. Classic blue denim again, but totally different vibe. This is strappy A-line dress, very clean silhouette. It is made in cotton lycra fabric, so it fits perfectly. No stiff denim situation. Big relief, honestly. There is zip closure at the back, so it fits perfectly. And look at this construction. It is corset inspired at the top and then it flows out in the nice Kali form. It feels way more elevated than normal regular denim. Little structured, little feminine, very balanced. Now, personally, I am not very comfortable with strappy dresses, so I threw on this grey jacket and honestly it worked. Effortless but styled. No overthinking needed. Finish this gorgeous look with my favorite earrings, clear heels, and guest structured bag. Overall, slightly dressier denim movement. Still comfortable, still wearable, but with little extra attitude. Switching it up again, and this one is from Dora Dori. And this is in this deep dark blue shade. Instantly look polished. Design wise, very classic silhouette. Knee length dress with closed neckline, 3/4 sleeves, and A-line shape. It is the silhouette that suits almost all body types. It doesn't cling awkwardly anywhere and it genuinely feels comfortable. Not stiff, not restrictive. But look at the front. It has nice contrast fringe style lace attached diagonally throughout the front. Changes the vibe entirely. Without them, it would have been just another denim dress. But with these stripes, it gets that slightly dressier vibe. It feels a little bit more on boho side. But back is again plain, which I personally like because there is so much happening at the front. So plain back kind of balance it. To match the boho vibe of the front, I styled it with my shell earrings. I wore a simple bracelet. You can easily wear this with sneakers, but I prefer to wear clear heels with this. And I forgot to mention it has two pockets also. Super functional. So overall, clean base with this striking front, but super comfortable to wear. Okay, the last look of the haul, and this one definitely has different mood. Again, it's from brand All About You, but this one is little more structured, almost blazer dress energy, but in denim. I didn't know I needed this till I tried. It has lapel collar, front button design. Actually, it is a wrap style dress, so it has a small slit at the front, but nothing too dramatic. The dress has two pockets also. They not only add design detail and looks super chic, but adds practicality also. The set comes with a belt, fabric belt. It is attached to the dress, so either you can tie it at the front or at the back. It is totally up to you, but I feel when you tie it at back, it feels a nice clean finish at the front. The dress itself has presence, so I added these simple studs, clear heels and brown bag, and a nice structured look is ready. Overall vibe, structured polished denim, which looks little more put together. I think perfect way to end this haul. So that was the whole denim dresses haul. My god, so much variety is available in denim dresses, from casual to slightly dressier to structured look. It honestly surprised me a bit. Now, clearly, I have more denim dresses than I have planned. No regrets though. Tell me which one you like the most. I am genuinely curious to know because I have my favorites. But sometimes you all pick something totally different. If you like hanging out with me, you know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and share with someone who will equally enjoy this. And I'll see you soon with brand new styling story. Bye.